In this video, we're going to compare three different microphones. We've got a Jabra, which is a general table set microphone. We have the headset, which is attached to my face. We've got a lapel mic. We're going to switch from the Jabra to the headset to the lapel mic. You're going to see the audio differences in all three. I think people should buy a lapel mic. I think it sounds nicer. Well, we're going to see the difference. Right now, you're hearing me through the Jabra. So I'm attached. So now you're hearing me through the sort of Jabra brand tabletop mic. It's set a foot or two away from me. We're now going to switch to the, this is a Logitech headset. So most headsets are kind of the same. Much better noise isolation. There's actually some construction happening a little bit behind me. You may not be able to hear that. But also, hopefully I feel a little bit more natural. I sound a little bit better. Hopefully the audio quality is a little bit nicer. Finally, we're going to switch down to a lapel mic. So the table one is maybe like $40 to $50 to $80. This guy is maybe like 20 to 30 US dollars. We're now going to switch to the lapel mic. This is what that sounds like. I find that lapel mics sound, this is a condenser mic, it sounds a little bit more natural, a little bit like I'm in the room with you rather than I'm speaking over a computer wire to you. Noise cancellation, or not noise cancellation, noise isolation is still pretty good, but it feels maybe more warm, more deep, more pleasant. Again, we're gonna go back to the headset. So one moment. Yeah. Here's the headset again. Again, I find this is a little bit more electronic, a little bit more scratchy. Still fine though, much better than using a laptop speaker or a laptop microphone, better than using a tabletop microphone. And then finally, we're going to go back to the tabletop one, which is great. You get a better sense that I'm in a room. There's a bit more ambiance. This is designed for a tabletop. It's designed for a conference room. So that's it. I'm going to switch back one more time to the lapel mic. Again, this is like how I like to communicate a bunch. Usually also not echo with any of these that much. The headset has isolated headphones and a microphone. The tabletop one, the sound and the microphone in the same spot, so here's no echo. And the lapel mic seems to be isolated enough that it works even if you have a separate speaker. So that's it. Just want to give people a sense for what some options are.